Hello guys, welcome to new session. Today we are going to discuss about network traffic. Selenium4 has introduced how to capture network traffic from the network tab. So let's give an example. Let's I go to a website called let's go to any website. Let me go to this website. Okay, it's not working. Spring Boot. Let's go to Spring Boot and now if I go into inspect, it will give me the console. Now let me refresh it. It will give what are the uh, call has been made to the server basically. So that's what the network details will get it, like all the calls and all. So let's see how is possible, and that's only possible into the Chrome browser, because Chrome dev tool has been given by the Selenium4, where you can basically capture all the network related details. So how it has been done, I have created an object of a home driver here. Okay, and then I have inserted an object for the get dev tools. Basically with the help of that, I've created an instance, basically session here. Okay, dev tool sessions here, so Chrome dev tool, and then sending one after opening the browser, because I'm sending one command to the browser to network enable, make the network enable, because the moment you open the browser and if you go to the right click and this side network is not enabled, you have to enable it. Okay, so that is not enabled, so we have made it enable it. And then everything is empty, optional, unoptional. We are just passing the argument, three arguments, all is empty. Okay, empty, we're passing it. Now we are adding a listener, so it will listen to the all the calls which is going through the network tab, and it will capture it and will just print it. Okay, and after that we'll just disable that network. Okay, so what are the things we're capturing? URI, this what are the URL of the request with method. Okay, what method is getting called, this is the things we are just, so it is like network dot request will be sent. So add a listener, and then entry we are putting it, and then we're putting the URI and everything which is going through this google.com. Okay, this is how we're going to capture it. So let's run it. This one, if you want to capture network calls by error. Okay, okay, so this is basically capturing the all the network related calls. So sometime your developer might ask what call is going when you are clicking this button, can you give me that things. You can capture it and give it to him in the form of this requests. So you can see all the calls which he has been made. You see, this is a URI google.com, and then what is the method get. Then next is Google this, then logo, then search box, all the calls which Google has made it has got it. So let's take an example here. How to know it? Let's go here and just open the inspect, go to network. I'll just put google.com, and you see all the calls starting from the first to all the calls it is going. Getting it? So this is how we can capture the network in Chrome browser. So if your developer is asking, can you give me the calls when you're clicking a button and all, you can just enable it, and then you can perform the actions, and when you're clicking it you can capture that URI, what are the actions are getting performed in the backend, when what are the service calls are happening with the URI and the method name. Hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe. Have a nice day guys.